Hey guys, today's episode I'm gonna be showing you my moringa in my backyard. They are very happy since I have given them more water than I used to. I have been depriving them. Of course, lately we had our irrigation broke. It was like geyser, so it is now fixed. And let's get this video going. And thank you for watching. I'm gonna be showing you my moringa. I have not been taking care of them like I supposed to, but because recently our irrigation busted and we did have a geyser all over our backyard, I had to turn off the irrigation so we can fix the problem. So we hired someone to fix the problem. This is the new irrigation now. The guy said that this must be watered very slowly, like a dripping, for 1 hour, 5 or 30 minutes. And after just 1 week, and I have all that dirt very wet and very soft, and I've noticed that the moringa leaves, they are very happy. They're very healthy looking. Oh my god, I have been depriving my moringa of water. I believe this moringa is 4 years old. I started this back in 2014. Today it's August 2018. I'm gonna be cooking a big pot of soup and all of these greens. I'm gonna harvest this tonight. I'm gonna put that in my big pot of soup, which is consist of quinoa, lentils, a pound of chicken meat, which is chicken breast. I'm gonna use the very lean meat without the fat. I'm gonna put some squash, carrots, celery, lots of ginger, and bell peppers. That is our pretty much main dish when we go to work, and that's our lunch. It's very easy and fast. We don't have time since we only have 25 minutes of breaks at work, so we need something fast and delicious and nutritious. I'm very happy with this. They're very happy, and I think they're thanking me because they were never like this. They were never, lavishly green. They were kind of like yellow and very pale and skinny. Now all the leaves are so hot, and I'm gonna show you the ones inside. Okay, this is the one that I cut last April, and I didn't think that it would make it, but just one day something pops up on the bottom. I just cut that from the outside tree and I just stick them in a pot, and I can't believe it has grown. So is this one also. I really didn't think that this would make it, but right now they're in the pot. I keep watering them every night. Hopefully they will survive. Seems to be they are surviving. So here's the other one. I just cut this all the way to probably 20 inches tall, and the leaves seems to be very happy. These are the two of them that did not survive. I cut it from the tree and I stuck them in the pot. There are 5 of them altogether total, and only 2 survived. Three did not survive. And here is the rest of my moringa tree. This one seems to be happy because they are getting a lot of water now. So that looks very happy, although it's very skinny, but it's showing a sign that they are very happy. A happy moringa. Now I'm gonna harvest them. I am so sorry, my moringa tree, I have to eat you. My moringa leaves, they are very green and nutritious. I cook big pot of soup every 2 weeks. And I just froze them and put them in the Tupperware, and then just grab one each day until I am running out. I am running out, and I'm not working today, so we went to Walmart around 1 o'clock last night because I did not want to go anywhere on my day off. I want to be productive. I need to be doing my painting as well, so that's why we grabbed some groceries last night. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to harvest my moringa. All I have to do is just all right. So sorry. I feel sorry whenever I do this. This is what I would do. After 2 weeks, this will grow back up again, and I will have enough a bunch of moringa leaves then for my big pot of soup. I would leave the baby leaves, let them mature enough for the next harvest. Oh, I need to be very careful of this. Alright. Wow, it smells so delicious already. This is why I love moringa, because they have this, you know, I don't know, the smell of it is just so fresh and delicious smelling. Chicken soup will be very delicious. You know, every time I made soup, I have to have moringa. And if the moringa isn't available, I'll use pepper leaves. But they're not as good as the moringa, because moringa is just, for some reason, moringa is just makes this chicken soup taste so delicious. So now I will leave some of the leaves for the next harvest. I'm enjoying this moringa during summer, because that is when they are really, you know, really growing so fast. And during winter, I do not have moringa because they're kind of like sleeping, hibernating, so nothing is growing. But I kind of like cut them off during maybe before summer so they can grow back up again. I think I have enough. This is already big. I got more to harvest though. Alright. Let's see. Smells so delicious already. It's so hot right now. It feels like, ah! Shit. Sorry. I thought I stepped on a snake. Gosh. It was just the hose, you know, that one. The drip system. I stepped on it. It touched my legs and I thought it was a snake. I have to be very careful because there's always snakes lurking around. We have found at least 7 the last 10 years. They coil in our yards or ports, and recently I saw gophers. So I don't know if gophers is venomous, but it was coiling in our ports right after I opened the door. Oh my god, I screamed like I just got shot because I hate snakes. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys.